everyone, it's Sam here, and today showing you another limited edition Swiss Army knife from Victorinox called Arrows. Unique kind of design, different kind of look. One of those small miniature knives, Swiss Army knives. Check it out, let me know what you guys think. Alright guys, we have the case itself right here, and it's called Arrows. You know, the classic design. Arrows. Cool. So we have the black leather exterior right here and a red interior. Let's go ahead and check out the design. Look at that. Pinkish, dark pink. Cool, cool. Victorinox logo, all silver and white. See the contents. We have a keychain up top, knife, nail file, screwdriver, sharp scissors, Swiss Army scissors. Up top, pair of tweezers. We have toothpick. And that's about it. What comes with this tool. Alright, that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Guys, do subscribe. That would be helpful. You know, it would help me a lot. And do leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys think. It's optional. It's up to you. Give me a thumbs up. That'll be even great. Thank you guys. You take care.